Welcome to Frequency Matters, the RF and microwave update. We have a very special episode this time as we're here in Rome at the European Microwave Week. I'm here with our international editor, Richard Mumford, our technical editor, Gary LaRude, and of course my normal co-host, Kristen Anderson. It's been a very active show, lots of activity. We started off the week with Keysight Technologies introducing many new products. They had a single slot Pixie VNA to 26 gigahertz, an arbitrary waveform generator with 20 gigahertz of bandwidth, and then they had a whole new line of power sensors that go up to 18 gigahertz, including thermal vac chamber versions. So lots of activity there on the test and measurement front. How about you, Richard? What did you see?
Well, one of the innovations that I found particularly interesting was a development by Rohde and Schwarz of a 70 to 80 gigahertz millimeter wave security system. Basically, it's a 3008 transmitter and 3008 receiver element system. It has a resolution of less than 2 millimeters and an image dynamic range of greater than 30 dB. That means basically there's a threat detection in 3 seconds. The company also demonstrated automotive radar testing, particularly the real-time characterization of chirp signals and the use of the ART system, which adds realistic simulation testing. And what about you, Gary?
So we also spent some time at National Instruments at their booth, seeing their portfolio of hardware and software, including Microwave Office. And I was particularly impressed. We were able to spend a few minutes with James Truchard, their president and CEO, and learn about how test and measurement, including the hardware and software, are really enabling quick prototype development, which is a major step forward in product development. Kristen, what did you see?
Well, I was happy to see regular exhibitors here every year, like Anritsu, Copper Mountain Technologies, Maury Microwave, Focus Microwaves, CST, and ANSYS coming to exhibit every year. And then we had several new exhibitors. I was able to stop by and talk to Adamant. Their zero shrinkage LTCC copper wire bonding capillaries with a new matte finish was something they were showing this week. Also, a company called Aralis. They're serving the world's largest aerospace and security firms, from mimics and modules to systems and capability. And finally, Worth Electronic. They're here as manufacturers, and they sell electronic and electromechanical RF components. So they were very busy this week, and we were happy to have them as first-time exhibitors here.
Yeah, and there was also the normal semiconductor companies here, Freescale, MACOM, NXP, and then there's the foundries like Win Semiconductor, UMS, and OMIC. And we found out there's a lot of new activity in the transistor area. They're actually using transistors for RF heating, and we attended the Alliance meeting, right?
Yes, there's a new RF Energy Alliance that includes companies like NXP, Rogers, and Huber-Suner with Whirlpool, among others. And their big mission is to replace the magnetron in the microwave oven with solid-state transistors. And they even claim that the food will taste better.
Yeah, that's always a good thing.
Yeah. And we also talked to Freescale Semiconductor are doing the same thing.
Yeah, so it's been a great week here at European Microwave in Rome. Lots of activity, very good booth traffic for everybody. I think that about wraps up this episode.
Yes, it does. We'd like to thank you for watching. We'd also like to thank our sponsors, Mini Circuits, online at minicircuits.com. Also, Keysight Technologies, formerly Agilent Technologies Test and Measurements Group, online at keysight.com. And we hope you'll join us again at the next episode of Frequency Matters.